Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, welcome back to ICP Nurul Ulum channel. I am Zakia.
I am Zhafira. Today we will ask you to have walking around this town.
Wow, it sounds interesting.
Of course, guys, do you know how does Bojonegoro looks like in the past?
We will tell you about some places in this town. While walk around,
So let's follow us.
guys, do you know where we are now?
Yes, this is the Bojonegoro Square, the iconic place in this town.
This place is also used for many activities.
Do you know the first Indonesian president, Mr. Soekarno, visited this place in 1946?
Look at this. This is a picture when Mr. Soekarno visited this place to inaugurate a night market that held by Bojonegoro people.
And these are all pictures of Bojonegoro Square.
Okay guys, let's move to the next historical building around here.
Let's go! This place, guys?
Yes, we are standing in front of the post office.
Do you know what is this? This is a mailbox or brievenbus in Dutch. This is temporary storage of letters.
This box is made of cast iron with a height about 200 centimeters. This box was used by Dutch colonial government since 1829.
The color of Indonesian post is orange because this color the pride of the Netherlands. This color means dynamic and fast. Here the old picture of Bojonegoro post office.
Next, we will show you another historical building. Come on!
Is this?
This is an historical house in Bojonegoro. Our first president, Mr. Soekarno, has a perfect here. When he visited Bojonegoro, when he visited this house, the owner is Mr. Mokhtar, as the chief of Bojonegoro Residency.
Really? Wow, it sounds interesting.
Based on the book written by William Altmans with the title Ninja Friend of Soekarno, Mr. Soekarno ever visited Bojonegoro at July 9, 1957.
I'm really curious with this house. Can we look inside this house?
Yes, of course. This house still has original interior and exterior design. Come on!
It's great! All furniture here have vintage style. I like it.
These are some historical buildings in this town. Hopefully, we can maintain them as good as possible.
A great museum is a museum that doesn't forget its history.